Hello, I'm John Rodella. I'm the CEO of RoData. Thanks for joining us today. Today our discussion is the differences between analog and digital video. I brought in today Nick Iadicicco, who is an engineer on our staff and is well versed in this subject. The revolution of analog versus digital video is taking on a whole new import, and we wanted you to know some of those things. Hi Nick, how are you?
Hi John, thanks for having me.
Nick, I know we're calling this session the end of analog. Why are we calling it that?
We're calling today's session the end of analog because of the phenomenon of analog sunset. And analog sunset is what the industry is terming where manufacturers of Blu-ray players are stopping the production of Blu-ray players with HD analog outputs. The existing models that are currently in use today are going to be sold up until December of 2013. Once that hits, there will be no other Blu-ray players with HD analog outputs. So even though right now there's no indication that computers and laptops will stop the production of their analog outputs, you can only expect that that time will come. More and more laptops and computers are being manufactured with digital outputs such as HDMI and DisplayPort.
Nick, one of the things that's occurring for all of us in the conferencing industry is the whole concept behind bring your own device to work. Can you comment on how some of those things will be impacting what we're talking about today?
Well, mobile devices are impacting the conference room, training room environments today. Mobile devices, they've been created with digital video signals in mind. So because of this and the newer technologies on laptops such as DisplayPort and HDMI, it forces a conference room, training room to meet the capabilities of both analog and digital video formats.
Nick, is this revolution one that's going to have an immediate return on investment, or is it really about the quality and the return on investment will be later on?
Well, both actually apply to this revolution, as you put it. The quality of video signals have improved greatly due to digital output technologies. Not really sure if the cost of the hardware required for the digital signal technology will come down any. You'd almost have to think, since prices do decrease over time. However, the processing power that's required for digital signals has to remain robust. The return on investment is really in the infrastructure cabling. Either fiber or twisted pair cabling technologies can be used to drive the digital signals. This is the same cable that we have been using in the past, and even still today currently are using analog signals as well. The difference, however, is the transmitter receiver, the hardware on each end of the cable. So I think we can safely say that the fiber and twisted pair cable of yesterday and today can also remain as a cable for the future.
So Nick, how can an organization determine what the specific impacts will be for that?
This is not something an organization can actually control. About 80% of all new computers and laptops don't have analog. Mobile devices, like I previously stated, are really made for digital signals. More and more TVs and monitors are being made with less analog inputs. So we can really safely say that the digital age is upon us.
Hey Nick, thank you for your input today. It's been invaluable.
Well, thanks for having me. I hope I helped. Have a good day.
All right, thank you for visiting with us today. And what we'd really like you to do is give us a call so that we can have a more cogent discussion with you about what specifically is going to happen in your organization over this revolution. Thank you for coming today. We appreciate your time.